What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add the reset password page into your WordPress navigation menu using classic WordPress themes. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours, okay? So let's get this started. First thing, let me activate my classic WordPress theme. I'm gonna be using Anzu. So now I'm having a classic WordPress theme on my site. After this, review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, okay, once you are on your dashboard, okay? And the first thing to do is log out of your site, okay? So review the upper right corner of your screen next to your image and click on logout. You're gonna be into a page almost like this one. Locate this section right here, lost your password. We're gonna need that link, so right click with your mouse buttons and click into copy link address. You're gonna copy the lost password page link, okay? After this, go back to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and look under the WordPress comment section and plugin section. We're gonna have appearance. Hover mouse over appearance and click into the submenu menus, okay? Between widgets and theme files editor. Now locate the primary menu of your site. My site have only a single menu, the main menu. This menu is set as my primary menu, as you can see. And now all I have to do is review this middle column right here. We have add menu headings. We have pages, posts, custom links, categories, WooCommerce, and points. I'm gonna click on custom links. I'm gonna enter the URL that I just copied from the login page. And I'm gonna add this a label, a title can be lost your password. I'm gonna apply this as a submenu of my contact page, or maybe a submenu for my about page. You can organize this in the way that you want, okay? All you have to do is drag and drop the heading right here. Then I'm gonna hit the save menu button. Menu is now saved, and now let's review the results we got. If I hover my mouse over about lost your password, and this link gonna redirect me to the lost account page, okay? To the lost password page. Right here I'm gonna be able to enter the username or email address to receive a reset link into my email, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Anzu WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.